Sometimes it's not that we don't see the red flags. It's that we are hoping they will turn green. We tell ourselves, he will change. Maybe he didn't mean it. Nobody is perfect. Before we know it, we are making excuses for the very things that keeps breaking our hearts. Hi ladies, welcome to the Whole Ladies series. My name is ADAEZE Kalu, your wholeness coach. And this is a space where we have honest conversations about healing relationships and becoming the woman God created you to be. So today we want to talk about a difficult question. Why do some women keep ending up in unhealthy relationships? And no, this is not about blaming women. It is about understanding ourselves so we can heal. Sometimes chaos feels normal. If you grew up in a confusion, shouting, rejection, and inconsistency background, your heart can get used to it. So when someone comes into your life and keeps you guessing, you call it excitement. When they disappear and come back, you call it love. And when they make you cry every week, but buy you gifts the next day, you call it passion. But love shouldn't always leave you anxious. You shouldn't have to decode someone's feeling every day. Sometimes we settle because we don't think we deserve any better. Low self-worth is dangerous. It makes you celebrate things that should be normal. Oh, he finally called me back. Oh, he apologized this time. Oh, he introduced me to his friends. Meanwhile, he is still lying, disrespecting you, and giving you the bare minimum. When you don't know your value, almost anything can look like enough. Another thing is that sometimes we are just scared of being alone. So let's be real. Some people stay because they think, what if nobody else comes? So they hold on to the relationships that drain them. They would rather be unhappy with someone than peaceful by themselves. But being single is not the worst thing that can happen to you. Losing yourself is. Another thing is that sometimes old wounds are making today's decisions for you. If you have spent your life begging to be loved, you'll be tempted to hold on to anything or anyone that gives you attention. And that's where many women get trapped. Because attention is not love. Just because someone wants you doesn't mean they are good for you. Just because someone tests you all day doesn't mean they will treat you well. So here is the truth that changed me. Healing changes what you accept. When you know your worth, you stop chasing people who keep showing up or showing that they don't value you. You stop trying to convince someone to love you properly. You stop calling emotional stress part of every relationship. You start choosing peace. So, maybe the issue isn't that you keep attracting toxic people. Maybe the issue is that you haven't fully healed from the things that make you tolerate them. And that's not something to be ashamed of. This is an invitation to heal. Because the healthier you become, the less attractive unhealthy relationships become to you. So if this message spoke to your heart, I want to encourage you to read my books, The Whole Lady and Caged No More. These books are honest, deeply personal, and filled with lessons on healing from trauma, breaking unhealthy cycles, discovering your identity, and embracing the freedom God has for you. The Whole Lady is now available on Amazon, and Cage No More is available there as well. My prayer is that these books will remind you that your past may explain your story, but it does not have to define your future.